Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can fix this error. Here you can see 0xc0000000e in Windows 10. This is boot error and you can also fix it. So now I will show you how you can fix it. First of all, you need to just click on Windows and just click on Power and choose here Restart, but also click with Shift. Just click on Shift and click on Restart. So it helps us to open recovery menu, and from what we will recover our system. Also, you can if you cannot sign into your open your Windows because you have this error, you can also open this recovery menu from your installation disk with Windows. Choose the recover, not install but recover. So here just choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. So also you can try repair it automatically by system. You can do it with startup repair. So just click on startup repair and just follow all the steps, and system will automatically try to recover it. If it doesn't help you, try to choose command prompt and try to recover manually. So I will show you how you can do it. You know, it's really not so hard. I think for you it will be not hard. So just wait after it will load your user. So here on the left you choose your user, and now you need just to write your password. After you choose your user, just here write your password and check if your keyboard layer is correct, because it also depends on your password. So now you will see command line. So just write commands as I write it. Just follow me. DSK backslash C backslash R backslash F, and just click enter. So now just wait. After this command will check all your files and your system for corrupting files and for some mistakes. And now you just need, after you do it, you need to enter second command, boot rec backslash fix mbr, and just click enter. After you do it, just click exit and just click continue, and after you do it, your system will automatically start. Your computer will restart and your system will start. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.